I'm working on the 1910s wrap cape from American Duchess. Welcome, this is Aderyn Postal. I drafted out the pattern onto grid paper, taking notes directly on the pattern pieces. This is the blue side of my cape cutout. It's thread marked, not that you can see, but it is thread marked in red. This is the green fabric cutout of the cape. I have also thread marked this set. I have pinned a dart in each of the front panels. Now I just need to sew them. There we go. I have a dart sewn here, and one sewn here. It seems to have gone all right. Now I will pin the next darts, the middle dart on each front piece. I have finished the darts for both the front blue pieces. I just have to trim them. I also did the top stitching for the blue collar contrast on the green collar because I have blue thread in my machine right now and I don't want to change it until the last possible minute, or until I need to. I'll be doing the same for the green collar contrast on the blue collar when I do the green darts, and of course sew everything together. The next step is to sew the blue back to the front, I think. Shoulder seams. Pretty sure that's the next step. I pin the shoulder seams, and then I need to sew it, then iron it. These stupid darts took me so long to figure out which way I was supposed to iron them. My brain wasn't working. Oh my gosh. So far, this is what I have on the green. I finished the darts on both, sewed them to the back, the shoulder seams, and sewed one of the sleeves. I kinda got distracted by all the sewing. Ta-da! This massive amount of fabric. I have sewn both sleeves in now. Now I need to work on the collar, and then I will sew both of them together. I have both pieces of the collar. Now I just need to sandwich them together, and then sew both sides together. I've finished the collar. I've pasted it into place onto the green. I have the blue over there. I need to re-iron open the seams. Then I will attach it to here, and hopefully figure out how to line everything up, because some places don't quite line up well. It's done. Well, not completely. I've sewn around the edges, mostly. I have clipped the collar and the corners. I haven't sewn the ends of the wrap, mostly because I'm not sure how it'll fit. And the bottom here, so I can turn it right side out, so that isn't fully clipped yet either, in case I need to finagle anything. But it's almost done. Yay! Ta-da! Obviously, I need to iron it still, and I need to flip it back inside out, because I forgot to remove the basting and thread marking thread. Whoops. But it looks pretty good. I just need to flip it around, double check the back to make sure it's not wonky, because there was that wonky bit that didn't quite line up. But I like how it looks so far. Here's the back. I can't quite tell if the back is lopsided at all. I'll probably have to use two hands to check it. I don't think it is, or at least it's flowy enough that it's not noticeable, which is great, because then I don't have to finagle and figure out how to fix it. Here we go. I have finished top stitching all around it, which is great. Took me a lot longer than I thought it would because my machine decided to act up and I could not figure out what was wrong with it. It took me a while, but I got help and fixed my machine with help, and then top stitching took basically no time. I have not put on the hooks and eyes yet. I have these beautiful hooks and eyes. Very excited. And I'll be using this copious amount of thread that was wasted while I was trying to fix my machine. This isn't even all of it. This is just the salvageable bits. So I have to add the two hooks and eyes, and then I'll be done. And I'll actually close and hang properly. Here is the blue side in comparison to the green side. Because I wasn't very careful, you can see some of the green from this side. Also, the collar tends to lie nicer this way than when the green side is out. The green side tends to curl the ends for whatever reason. I don't know why. Here we go. They're not pretty, but they're strong and it'll hold. It doesn't quite look how it looks on me. It does do this though. Extra fabric at the top. I don't know, it's not as bad on me as on the dress form, which is weird. And the green side! Yay! It seems to fit a little differently than the blue side, which makes no sense to me. But alright. Here's the front of the blue side after washing and ironing. Here's the back of the blue side. Here's the front of the green side. It seems to lay a little bit different than the blue side, possibly because the green is the thicker linen. Here's the back of the green side. And now for a few final pictures. What side do you like best, the green side or the blue side?